eDocuments is a solution through EdFed 24/7 that allows you to securely retrieve current and past statement notices quickly and at no cost. Going paperless will prevent your sensitive information from getting lost in the mail and also help the environment by cutting down on paper usage. Enrolling in paperless statements is easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to EdFed 24/7. Enter your online banking credentials and select Login. If you do not have an online banking profile, you may register for EdFed 24/7 to gain online banking access. Step 2. Navigate to eDocuments. Hover over Account Services and select eDocuments. Step 3. Elect eDocuments Paperless Enrollment. Review the eDocuments Paperless Enrollment disclosure and select Accept to finalize your enrollment. Step 4. View your eDocuments. Your eDocuments will now be available for you to view. Great, you're all set. You can now enjoy the ease and convenience of paperless statements through EdFed 24/7.